What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Brazy Malik back at again with another banger. Here's our 1-minute haircut tutorial. So first we're gonna set our guidelines. Then we're gonna open up with the clipper open. Set that guideline. Knock that guideline up with a fade up. Come up with a 0 open. Knock that guideline, fade up. Come with the 1 close. Go up for the next guideline. Knock that, fade all the way up. And then next thing we know, we're gonna take our shears and we're gonna come off and clean up that bulk work on the side. Simple. Remember, light taps on the edge. Tap, tap, tap. Clean up. Blade them up. Out of there. After we do that, we're gonna set our hard part. We're gonna trim the top. He wanted it really natural. He didn't want much done to it. And then voila, we got us a cut. Thank y'all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, man. More videos, more bangers on the way. Love y'all.